We'll guide you through how to make an end portal in Minecraft Creative, and you can follow this on any guide, whether you're using Minecraft Bedrock, Java, mobile, console, it doesn't matter. So if you find this guide useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. The end is a really cool region and place in Minecraft. It's very different to the standard world here, and there you can go and get to the end dragon. And so to go and complete Minecraft, essentially you need to go and beat the end dragon. So we're going to guide you through how this can be done step by step. It's important to know, and you probably already know, that you can only go and make it in Minecraft Creative. If you want to go and get to the end of Minecraft Survival, you need to go and find the end portal. So you can't actually go and get the parts of the end portal you need to go and make it in Survival. You have to go and find it. So we're going to guide you through how this can be done step by step. Before we get on with the video, a big thank you to the sponsors of this video, Apex Hosting. If you need a Minecraft server to play with others, then check out the link in the description and in the pinned comment. Right now you can go and get a discount, so it's definitely worth checking out. If you scroll down, you can start checking out some of their great features like unlimited slots, a free subdomain, 24/7 servers and support, so you can get the help anytime you need it for your always online server, as well as many other great features as well. So to get started, let's go and open up your inventory by pressing E or whatever button it is on your device. Then what you need to do is go and type in end portal like so, and you need to go and find the end portal frame. Click that and add that into your inventory here. And then you can go and type in Eye of Ender, and you're going to need these as well. So as I said, in survival, you'll need to go and find the existing end portal frame, and then you fill it with Eyes of Ender. So you also need to go and use these as well when going and looking for the end portal as well. So now let's go and do this. So what you're going to need to do is you need to go and face forwards, place down an end portal frame, right click on the ground. This needs to be done pointing like this in order to go and make sure that it's pointing the right way. Otherwise it won't go and work. So then what you want to do is move to the right or the left, it's up to you. And then what you want to do is go and place another. You go and see they're pointing the same way and place another like so. So you've got 3 in a row, all pointing the same way if you look at the pattern. Now you want to go and rotate 90 degrees either way. And what you then want to do is place another 3 following the same steps. So make sure you're going and facing forwards, move to the right or left, place another. So you've got another 3, rotate 90 degrees and do the same thing. So you're facing the same way, place down 3, and then you want to go and turn again and place down 3 like so. So now you've gone and got them in this pattern here. You can go and check they're all pointing the same way. They are in this case. Next, you need to go and grab the Eye of Ender. So to do this, you want to go and be flying, because otherwise if you're standing in it, what can go and happen is that you can go and end up going into the end as soon as it goes and activates. So what you want to do is make sure you're facing the correct way, place it down. So that is the way that it should be pointing. You'll go and see that there's these lighter parts of it pointing out or in. Then you can go and repeat that. So keep doing it. If you go and find you end up placing one the wrong way, don't worry. What you need to do is just go and break the frame, replace it, and then you can go and put the eye vendor in it, pointing the correct way. Let's go and keep completing this like so. Rotate again, and I'll keep filling it in. And the final one, when it's placed, is going to automatically go and activate it, as you can see. So you've now gone and successfully made the end portal, and all you need to do to go and get to the end is go and jump in it. And if you find that it isn't working, what I recommend you do is you go and restart. Rewatch this guide, make sure everything's pointing the correct way as it should be. Now what we can do is go and get to the end by jumping in it like so. And here we are, the train's loading, and as you can see, we've now made it. You'll go and find these points, which are going to go and essentially go and heal the end dragon. And what we can do is go and find the end dragon. As you can see, there it is. And you can go and beat that to go and complete the game. And you go and get the ender dragon egg.